Hi, welcome to my channel. If you clicked on this video, you probably want to start dressing in jirai. That's why I prepared practical tips for how to build jirai cord without spending too much money and see if it's for you. First thing you'll need is skirt. If you're not going for subcull, the most recognizable jirai cloth is a black skirt. Of course, there are different colors of jirai skirts, but today we will do one most basic outfit. There are lots of nice black jirai skirts. You can buy one of them to see if you like the style, but you can also use what you have at home. For example, I have a black mini skirt from Bershka. The skirt doesn't have to be short, there are also long jirai skirts. I have this lace skirt from secondhand shop. Chapter 2. Blouse. The second jirai staple is frilly blouse with a lot of lace. Most of them also have bows at chest area. For affordable version, I'm having white frilly blouse I got from YesStyle. This outfit is still far from complete. Chapter 3. Accessories. As you can see, my blouse doesn't have a bow. You can buy a bow with clip for cheap. You can also dye the bow and attach it with a pin. Now you need either socks or thighs. But they can't be regular socks or thighs. Your leg wear may be either ankle socks, knee-high socks, thigh-high socks or tights. Preferably they should be sheer, and with lace, but you can and here you can also wear garter and leg warmers. It's very popular among jirai. You don't have to ship from abroad to buy fishnet tights. Are also available in most clothing stores. Ankle socks should be frilly or lacy. I tried to mix two lengths of socks and add leg warmers for more edgy look. If you don't have much budget, black ribbon will be your best friend. You can cut a piece and tie it on your leg. If you have a choker, you can do the same if it fits your leg. Now I'll show you a life hack for when your blouse doesn't have a bow and you don't have a pin. First, you can make a bow from ribbon. There are plenty tutorials online. Then you take metal part from earring and you attach it to the bow. Now you can hang it on your blouse. Chokers are also very common in jirai. I have an elegant choker. Headwear is also very important in jirai. A very common headwear are white chocho. You just tie them on your ponytails. Bow clips are also very common. There are various cute headbands. For example, I have this one from Lolita 48 online shop. I got this pearl headband from secondhand shop. Any hair clips like this will be great to put on your bangs. My Melody, Kuromi headbands are also a thing in jirai. Pick the one that matches your outfit. It's so cute. Chapter 4. Shoes. The most iconic jirai shoes are shoes from Bubbles Tokyo. They are sold in platform version, as well as heels and flats. Almost the same popularity have Yosuke platforms. Another ones are My Melody Crocs and Crocs from Don Quixote. There are also plenty of cute jirai shoes sold by various brands. You can see some of them on the screen. For affordable version, to see if you like the fashion, you can put on black Mary Jane's shoes, black platform shoes, or just any black shoes. Or you can also put on black or pink Crocs. Chapter 5. Makeup. Makeup is one of the most important elements of jirai. The most important features are big contact lenses, droopy eyeliner, heavy underlined eye bags and pink eyeshadow. There are plenty of tutorials online. I also uploaded 3 makeup tutorials on my channel. Chapter 6. Hair. If you want to start dressing jirai, a comb and scissors will be your saviors. In jirai hair, one of the most important thing is getting bangs. But if you can't get bangs, don't panic. You can still wear jirai fashion and look cute. Another very common thing is getting pink hair extensions. You can dye your hair or buy fake ones online. But this step is not obligatory. Same with makeup, you can find plenty of hairstyle tutorials on internet. When I was filming this, my hair had a bad day. But anyways, I will show you easy and cute jirai hairstyle I often do. First, you need to make 2 ponytails. Then you braid them, but leave half of the hair unbraided. Then I put 1 white chocho on each side. And the hairstyle is done. Chapter 7. Bag. Here are few examples of popular jirai bags. But when you don't have them, this Miniso Chiyakawa bag is perfect. Chiyakawa is a character adored by many jirai girls. I think a black backpack also fits the style. Remember to attach as many charms as you can. I have a Chiyakawa charm to match. After learning all of this, let's turn into landmine. Thank you for watching. Feel free to exchange tips in the comments.